10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So, ladies and gentlemen, our next model of the evening is the boy of three high mineralized unprofessional mixed martial arts in the lightweight division of the FCC. To introduce you first,
Neil Hall taking officiating duties for this catchweight contest. Abdel Lif, the undefeated prospect from Marseille, France, fighting out of MK Legion, taking on the crowd favourite Steve, the Nightmare Nightingale, returning to FCC for the first time in a long time. Steve's been coming back from a pretty serious knee injury, and he's facing something of an unknown quantity, but a man who's got tongues wagging over in France. Head kick knockouts, apparently a speciality of Abdel Lif, and he starts off
looks for it
with a right hand leg kick. And again, and he puts Steve down. Abdel Lif going all in early.
And he's landing.
He's
landing. No. Beautiful reversal. And the referee almost stepped in there.
Neil Hall looked close to stopping that one. Abdel Lif looking to scramble back to his feet. This is where he's going to struggle against Nightingale. The size disadvantage he's got is going to be a nightmare against the Nightmare on the mat.
And you know, this is such an important fight for Stay. You know, he stated that how much he's missed competing and how much the injuries have set him back. He's going to come in here hungry, and I think now it's time for him to just collect himself as he's doing. And Lif's still fighting his way back up.
Lif is not a prospect for nothing, but some very concerned faces in the crowd. Huge support for Steve Nightingale. Abdel Lif looking for the neck here, trying to walk himself back up the cage. Looking for a Kimura from the bottom. Nightingale trying to stay heavy on top. Lif doing anything he can to get back to his feet. He's given up the back though. What an interesting start to this contest. Abdel Lif coming out like a house on fire, blasting Nightingale with leg kicks, and now turning into top position. He's got to be careful of the arm though. Nightingale looking to tie him up here, Steve.
It looks like he's working for the arm.
This is a dangerous position for the Frenchman. Nightingale trying to yank that arm out. Lif trying to compress himself and come out the back door. But if Lif lets go of this to pull out, he's going to put himself in an armbar in effect. A dangerous position here for the Frenchman. Nightingale trying to crank that arm.
Nightingale just taking the time, slowly cooking it. You can see
Lif's elbow slid out. He should be okay now. Nightingale not going to have the fulcrum, but he does,
got the tap.
And he gets the submission. Unbelievable.
After a little bit of adversity, Steve Nightmare, oh my God.
What a comeback. Abdel Lif giving up a huge amount of weight, comes out, blasting Nightingale with a huge head kick, nearly finishes him. Steve Nightingale, you want to talk about heart, you want to talk about toughness, you want to talk about resilience, and you want to talk about talent. Steve Nightingale displayed all those facets. He came back and gave the undefeated prospect his first loss.
I don't think we're going to see a happier guy in the cage tonight than Steve Nightingale after that. All of the comebacks, all of the injuries, all of the time off, and here he is, boom.